Welcome to Emily's English channel, my friend. Today, we're talking about something that happens every single day, paying the bill. It sounds simple, right? But many English learners freeze when that moment comes in a restaurant or cafe.
Exactly. You've enjoyed your meal, you've laughed with your friends, and then the waiter comes. You look at each other. No one wants to speak first.
You can feel that small silence, right? The background music keeps playing, plates clink, and suddenly you're thinking, what do I say?
So today, we'll learn how to handle that moment with confidence, politely, naturally, and without stress. And trust me, it's easier than you think.
If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. We share simple English for real life, the kind you actually use every day.
All right, let's jump into it. You're at a restaurant. You've just finished eating. The waiter is nearby. What do you say to ask for the bill politely?
You could say, "Could I have the bill, please?" Or, "Can we get the check, please?" Both are correct, but one small difference. Bill is more common in the UK, check in the US.
Right. So if you're traveling to London, say bill. If you're in New York, say check. Let's try both together. Ready? Repeat after us.
Could I have the bill, please? Can we get the check, please? Perfect. Now, sometimes you want to be even softer or more polite. You can add when you have a moment or when you get a chance.
So it becomes, could I have the bill when you have a moment, please? It sounds patient and kind. Waiters love that.
You can almost hear your voice smiling when you say it. That's the secret. Tone matters more than words sometimes.
Let's build the scene a bit. You're having dinner with friends. The waiter walks by, and you say gently, "Excuse me, could we get the check when you have a moment?"
The waiter nods. Of course. A minute later, they bring a small folder to your table.
Now comes the second moment. Who pays?
Yes, that can be awkward. In English, we often hear, "Let's split the bill." That means everyone pays their part.
Or one person might say, "It's on me." That means they want to pay for everyone.
If you want to be polite but decline the offer, you can say, "Oh no, please, let's split it." Or, "You got it last time, let me take this one."
Let's try that naturally, like a real conversation.
"It's on me, Paul."
No, Emily, come on. Let's split it.
"Seriously, I insist. You got the coffee last time."
All right, but next time it's my turn.
See? Friendly, natural, and polite. That's how native speakers keep things light.
Here's a mini tip. In English-speaking countries, being polite means being calm and friendly, not too formal. You can use please and thank you, but keep your voice relaxed.
Exactly. Sometimes learners worry too much about grammar, but real politeness is about attitude, kindness, not perfection.
Let's add some vocabulary you might hear in restaurants. Tab, receipt, tip.
Tab means you're running total, like when you keep ordering drinks. Receipt is the paper with the total amount. And tip is the extra money you give to say thank you for the service.
Usually in the US, people tip around 15 to 20%. In the UK, it's about 10 to 12%. But sometimes it's already included. You'll see service charge on the bill.
Here's a quick cultural note. In some Asian countries, tipping isn't common, but in Western restaurants, leaving no tip can seem rude, even if the service was okay.
So when you finish your meal, you might say, "Could you please bring the check?" Then when you pay, you can say, "Keep the change." That's another way to tip in cash.
Let's do a mini story to make it fun.
All right, I'm ready.
You and your friend Jessie are at a small cafe in New York. The coffee smells amazing. You both had cheesecake. The waiter smiles and asks, "Anything else?"
No thanks. Could we get the check when you have a moment, please?
"Of course. I'll bring it right over."
The check comes. Jesse looks at you and says, I'll get this one. My treat.
You smile and say, "Oh, thank you. That's so kind."
That's all it takes. A few polite words and a warm tone.
And if you want to sound even more natural, you can add short phrases like "no rush" or "take your time." It shows you're patient and respectful.
Right. For example, excuse me, could we get the check, please? No rush.
That's soft, friendly, and perfect in any restaurant.
Let's have a mini practice moment for everyone listening. Say it out loud. Could I have the bill, please?
Now say, "Can we get the check when you have a moment, please?"
Nice. Your English just got more polite and natural.
Remember, every time you practice, you build confidence. The more you use these phrases in real life, the faster they'll feel natural.
Don't wait until you're perfect. Perfection isn't the goal. Progress is.
Yes, done is better than perfect. Even small steps matter.
We'll keep exploring real-life English together. But before that, let's expand your vocabulary a bit.
Word 1, bill, meaning the total amount you owe for your meal. Synonym, check. Example, "Can I have the bill, please?" Word 2, split, to divide something between people. Synonym, share. Example, "Let's split the bill." Word 3, treat, to pay for someone as a kind gesture. Synonym, gift. Example, "It's my treat."
Perfect words for today's topic. You'll hear them often when eating out.
And here's your small challenge. Next time you're at a cafe, try using one phrase from today's lesson.
Yes, say it with confidence, even if your voice shakes a little bit. Every word is progress.
So, how do you usually pay the bill in your country? Tell us in the comments below.
And stay with us. In the next part, we'll go deeper. What if the service was slow or you need to ask to split the bill? We'll show you how to handle it politely.
All right, welcome back. Now let's move to part 2. Those slightly tricky moments that happen when paying the bill doesn't go as smoothly as planned.
Yes, because life isn't always perfect. Sometimes the waiter forgets your bill. Sometimes there's a mistake. Sometimes you need to split it. Let's see how to stay calm and polite in those cases.
Okay, picture this situation. Not in your head like a movie, but real life. You're sitting there, your friend has already finished dessert, and 10 minutes pass. Still no bill.
You start checking your watch. You need to go. You don't want to sound rude, but you also can't wait forever.
So here's what you can say. "Excuse me, could we please get the check when you have a moment?"
That phrase works perfectly. It's polite, but clear. You're not complaining, you're gently reminding.
Exactly. Or if you've already asked once, you can say, "Sorry to bother you, but could we get the bill, please?" The words, "sorry to bother you," soften the request.
It shows respect, and respect makes everything smoother.
Now, let's handle another real-life moment. When you want to split the bill.
Oh yes, that can be confusing, especially when there are 5 friends and one waiter looking at everyone with one small calculator.
You can say, "Could we split the bill, please?" Or, "Can we pay separately?" Both are natural and polite.
And if you want to explain, you can add, "We're paying separately, one for each person.
Let's act it out.
Here's your check."
Thank you. Could we pay separately, please?
"Of course, I'll bring the card machine."
Simple, clear, and polite. And when you finish paying, don't forget to say, "Thank you very much. Have a nice day." It leaves a good impression.
Yes, small kindness always travels far.
Now, what if the service was slow or the bill was wrong? Many learners get nervous, afraid of sounding rude. But you can be polite and firm at the same time. For example, you could say, "Excuse me, I think there's a small mistake on the bill."
Notice how Emily said, "I think," and "small mistake." Those two words make your tone gentle and respectful.
Right. You can also say, "Sorry, but I think we were charged twice for the drink." Then smile. Smiling is part of politeness.
Yes, your words matter, but your energy matters more.
Let's add another example. You're at a cafe and the waiter brings the wrong total.
You can say, "Sorry, I believe there's a mistake. We only had 2 coffees, not 3.
And the waiter will usually reply, "Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me fix that for you." Easy. No argument, no stress. Politeness in English isn't about using fancy words. It's about calmness and warmth.
Absolutely. Let's teach one more golden phrase. No worries. It means it's okay or don't worry about it. It's perfect when you want to sound relaxed and friendly.
Like when the waiter apologizes for being slow, you can say, "No worries. Take your time." Exactly. That short phrase creates kindness instantly.
Let's practice together. I'll say it first, then you repeat. No worries.
Great. Now one more time. Take your time.
Perfect. You sound so natural now.
Here's another mini story to make it real.
All right, let's do it.
You and Crystal are traveling in Thailand. You've just had a delicious meal. The waiter brings the bill, and it's higher than expected.
Excuse me, I think there's a small mistake. We only ordered 1 curry, not 2.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. I'll correct it right away.
No worries. Thank you.
See? Calm, kind, polite, and everything is solved in seconds.
That's real-world English. It's not just about the words, it's about the heart behind them.
Yes, politeness opens doors. Even small expressions of kindness make others feel respected.
Let's take a short reflection moment.
Think of the last time you went to a cafe or restaurant. How did you ask for the bill politely? Did you feel nervous or confident?
Now, imagine how much smoother it would feel if you used today's phrases. One sentence can change the entire mood.
Exactly. And if you make a mistake, it's okay. The most polite thing in the world is effort, trying your best.
That's what learning English is about. Progress, not perfection.
Let's do one final review before we end.
Phrase 1, could I have the bill, please?
Phrase 2, can we get the check when you have a moment?
Phrase 3, could we split the bill, please?
Phrase 4, sorry to bother you, but could we get the bill?
Phrase 5, excuse me, I think there's a small mistake.
And one magic expression, no worries. Use it everywhere.
Let's wrap it up with today's Charlotte Vocabulary Spotlight.
Phrase 1, when you have a moment, means not urgent, take your time. Synonym is whenever you can. Example, could we get the check when you have a moment? Phrase 2, it's on me, means I'll pay for it. Synonym is my treat. Example, don't worry, lunch is on me. Phrase 3, keep the change, means you don't need to return the small amount left. Example, here's $20. The bill was $18. Keep the change.
Simple, clear, and polite. Exactly what you need for real communication.
So, next time you finish your meal, remember these phrases. Say them with a smile, and you'll sound natural instantly.
And if you forget, that's okay too. Learning happens through trying, not avoiding.
Even if you remember just one phrase today, you're already improving.
Because every word you speak builds confidence, and every mistake teaches you something.
If you found this helpful, subscribe to Miss English channel and share this video with your friends.
And comment below, what's your favorite way to ask for the bill politely?
Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep smiling. Your English journey is just getting stronger every day.
Until next time, where we'll talk about how to compliment someone's cooking politely, naturally, and with confidence.
Until then, remember, politeness isn't just language. It's connection.
And you're already mastering it.
Bye for now.
Bye.